Assalamualaikum. I am Ravi Halik from BS Biotechnology. Today my presentation topic is ribozymes. Contents: definition of ribozymes, catalytic activities of ribozyme, history of ribozymes, classes of ribozymes, delivery of ribozymes to cells, application of ribozymes. First of all, I discuss about what is ribozymes. A ribozyme's ribonucleic acid enzyme is an RNA molecule that is capable of performing specific biochemical reactions similar to the action of protein enzymes. What is the catalytic activities of ribozymes? Ribozymes are RNA molecules able with catalytic activities and capable of cleaving messenger RNA molecules in a sequence specific catalytic manner. They contain sequence of for selective ligation with target messenger RNAs which confers upon the high specificity. They also contain sequences that perform cleavage reaction with target messenger RNA. By modifying the substrate recognizing sequence, ribozymes can be specifically tailored for the suppression of particular genes. As is shown in this picture. History: all known enzymes were considered as protein until the discovery of some RNA molecule that can act as enzyme in 1980s. Thomas Cash at the University of Colorado was studying the action of the introns in a ribosomal RNA gene in Tetrahymena thermophila. While trying to purify the enzyme responsible for splicing reaction, he found that intron could be spliced out in the absence of any added cell extract. As much as they tried, Cash and his colleague could not identify any protein associated with the splicing reaction. After much work, they proposed that the intron sequence portion of the RNA could break and reform phosphodiester bond. Shortly thereafter, Altamas group at Yale University showed that the RNA component of RNase P M1 RNA from Escherichia coli was likewise able to the process transfer RNA forerunner without any protein cofactors. Szat and Altman shared the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1989 for this work. Then classes of ribozymes. Natural ribozymes can be classified into two different groups. First, the self-cleaving RNA, which include the hammerhead, hairpin, hepatitis delta virus, worker satellite, and the second, the self-splicing ribozymes that are the group 1 and group 2 introns RNase P. Group 1 intron splicing. The first hint of the catalytic activities in RNA molecules concerned a group 1 introns found in the forerunner of Tetrahymena thermophila large subunit or ribosomal RNAs. Group 1 introns have also been found to interrupt a large variety of transfer RNAs, messenger RNAs, and ribosomal RNAs in bacteria and many other organisms. The Tetrahymena thermophila forerunner ribosomal RNA contain a group 1 introns capable of catalyzing its own ASEAN. Self-splicing of the intron required the absence of any guanosine cofactor and a divalent cation, either Mg2 plus or Mn2 plus, and occur via two sequential transesterification reaction. Group 1 intron splicing. Group 1 intron splicing ribozymes may prove to be an important tool for RNA directed therapy. It can be specifically designed to repair abnormal messenger RNA molecules tool for RNA-directed therapy. It can be specifically designed for repair abnormal messenger RNA molecules. It has been demonstrated that modified group 1 introns are suitable for the correction of deficient messenger RNAs. For example, a transactive group 1 intron was used to repair mutant beta globin RNA in erythrocyte forerunner from patients with sickle cell anemia by replacing the mutated part of the beta globin RNA by the gamma globin 3 exon. Additional attempts have been reported to address diseases caused by the trinucleotide repeat expansions, include Huntington's disease and myotonic dystrophy. Group 2 intron splicing. Group 2 introns have been found in a bacteria and in the mitochondrial and chloroplast genomes of fungi, plants, and yeast. They don't require guanosine residue. Multi-domain metalloenzymes less widely distributed than group 1. Mechanism: the 2H of a specific adenosine act as a nucleophile and attack the 5' site, creating a branched intron structure. The 3OH of the 5' exon attract the 3' site, ligating the exon and releasing the intron as a lyrated structure. RNase P, ribonuclease P, RNase P. RNase P's full form is ribonuclease P. A ribonucleoprotein is an essential transfer RNA processing enzyme found in all living organisms since its discovery almost 40 years ago. Research on RNase P has led to discovery of the catalytic properties of RNA. Mechanism: all RNase P enzyme are ribonucleoproteins. In ribonuclease proteins, P protein component facilitate binding between RNase P and transfer RNA substrate. Require divalent metal ions like magnesium 2 for its activity. Endoribonuclease responsible for generating 5 end of the mutated transfer RNA molecules. Cleavage via nucleophilic attack on the phosphodiester bonding, leaving a 5-phosphate and 3-hydroxyl at the cleavage site. As shown in figure, primary descript, then intermediate, then mature transfer RNA. Hammerhead ribozymes. Hammerhead ribozymes are tiny 30 nucleotides autocatalytic RNAs that cleave single-stranded RNA. They are found in nature as a part of certain virus-like elements called virusocytes. The hammerhead ribozymes is so named because its secondary structure is similar to that of a hammerhead, but actually its tertiary structure is more like Y-shaped. They have been used to cleave many RNA targets in vitro. However, there has been limited success in ribozyme-mediated gene inactivation in vivo. A major problem that researchers face when aiming to apply hammerhead ribozyme intracellularly for therapeutic purpose is the requirement of the elevated concentration of divalentine to obtain high catalytic activity. Hairpin ribozymes. The hairpin ribozymes is an RNA motif that catalyzes RNA processing reaction essential for reaction of the satellite RNA molecules in which it is embedded. It does not require direct coordination of metal cations to phosphate. These ribozymes have been developed many for antiviral applications. Hepatitis delta virus. The hepatitis delta virus ribozymes is found in a satellite virus of hepatitis B virus, a major human pathogen. The hepatitis delta virus ribozyme is a non-coding RNA found in the hepatitis delta virus that is necessary for viral application, and it is thought to be the only catalytic RNA known to be required for viability of a human pathogen. The ribozyme acts to the process the RNA transcript to unit length in a self-cleavage reactions. Ribosomes. What is ribosomes? Ribosomes is a large and complex molecules machine found within all living cells that serves as the primary site of translation. It consists of two subunits, one large and one small. The large 15 subunits has 5 and 23 RNA as its core. After the determination of high resolution structure of ribosome, it was clear the 23 subunit is responsible for the catalytic peptidyl transferase activity that links amino acids together. That is why ribosomes is also a ribozyme. The red region indicates the site where messenger RNA interact with the transfer RNA anticodons. Delivery of ribozymes to cells, viral vector and second non-viral vector. First of all, I discuss about viral vector. The delivery of genes encoding enzymes, that is endogenous delivery of ribozymes using viral gene therapy vector, is principal alternative to direct delivery of ribozymes, that is exogenous delivery of ribozymes to tissue for inhibition of genes expression. The most widely used viral vector are the retroviral vector and adenovirus vector and adeno-associated virus vector. The viral vectors have been modified to eliminate the toxicity and maintain their high genes transfer capability. And second, non-viral vectors mainly used to exogenous delivery of ribozymes, although their low efficiency remain a major drawback. Non-viral vectors have many advantages over viral vectors, including ease of production, low toxicity and immunogenicity, and low cost. Moreover, non-viral vectors provide various means of physical protection of ribozymes for safe delivery into the cell from renal filtration, enzymatic degradation, immunological, cationic in nature, lipid polymers and liposome. And last, application of ribozymes. Only two clinical trials are in progress to evaluate the potential of chemically modified hammerhead ribozymes to fight cancer. The first, angioenzyme, a hammerhead ribozyme that target messenger RNA that encodes VEGF, is being enzymed in a phase 2 trial for treatment of metastatic colorectal cancer. The other ribozyme in cancer clinical trial, Herazyme, is of a class of modified ribozymes, so-called zenzymes, that has high catalytic activity under physiological magnesium 2 condition and target the messenger RNA that encode human epidermal growth factor 2, and in the phase 1 clinical trial to determine toxicity and efficacy in breast and ovarian cancer patients. Thank you.